Coming up on the Crazy Jamaican Boy Podcast.
I always play with myself to our sex. Oh, wait. Alright, hold on there. Definitely took a shot on my self-esteem, in high school. Constantly having people comment on your body and like, oh, you look malnourished, you're this, you're that, bam, 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 I never really look at myself as somebody who, is attractive. Mic check. When you don't know your boy Anthony, back again with another episode of the Crazy Jamaican Boy Podcast. Episode 6. I can't believe we reached, guys. Jano, feel kind of good. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, make sure to subscribe to me. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment, and share. Alright, because that type of things, it helps me to grow, guys. Alright? If you're listening and watching on Spotify or Apple, make sure you want to leave a review. Make sure you guys are following me on there as well. Alright? Because that's how Spotify and Apple are going to boost the thing. That's how they're going to push me and make me grow as a creator, guys. So please do that for me. If you have not already, please ensure that you're following me on all socials, whether that be Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, The Anthony Tracey. Alright? Make sure you follow me. I'm not play with you. Alright. So now, like, we'll get all of that out of the way. I just want to address a couple things before we get into the topic at hand, right? So, firstly, I have to be going up because last week's episode, I don't know what happened, but you guys really enjoyed last week's episode of me talking about my experience in Japan. Some of you guys want more, and maybe later down the line, I will share more. But I really do appreciate the love, guys. I posted a clip of me talking about, my experience in Japan, and it just went viral. It got all over the place, guys. I see celebrities comment like Cecile. When I see Cecile comment, I say, wait there. How the fuck Cecile reached our comment section? Also, shout out to Cecile. Yeah, I love Cecile. I've always had a little crush on her when I was like a child growing up. You know what I mean? And if she ever want to be on the podcast, I don't know, she probably not going to even see this, but if she ever wants to be on the podcast, Cecile, just shout me, you see me? I would love to have you on there, But yeah, it really went viral. I was very surprised by this, guys. I was not expecting, that story to resonate with so many people from all over the world. Like, I was taken aback. I'm not going to lie. But I want to address a few things though. I posted a video, like a little video with me and, Uncle Derek. I'm sure you guys know Uncle Derek already. When I think, OG of Jamaican TikTok, I think Uncle Derek Morgan. You understand me? I say, like, at one point, everybody did use him sound. So yesterday I saw him, and I just decided to say I want to shoot a little video with him and thing. I post it, and then no found have all manner of things to say about the man. But I true because man make him treat you so treat you look good, you give him money, you give him this, you give him that. Listen, let me just address this and just set the record straight. I did not give this man a drink. I did not buy him a drink. I did not give him any money. That man is approachable in real life. Him cool with everybody. But you know what is it? What it is? It's just the respect factor. Too often, a lot of times, you see him on social media, and I guess him homeless, you don't find him appealing physically. You just see him as below you are. Like, you see him as below. You see him as subhuman. So because of that, you feel like you can deal with the man any kind of way and him supposed to take it. Alright? All you need to do is just approach the man with respect. That's all it is. Just approach the man with respect. And then him will deal with you good. Him deal with everybody. Like, whenever I see him normally talk to some woman and him a laugh and him a chat up with them and all this manner of things. So it's not about me being a man, make him a deal with me. So, alright, it's just through my approach him with respect. That's all it is, you know. Everybody is entitled to respect. No matter how if you want rich, no matter if you want poor, it no matter. Alright? When we're dead, the whole of we are go 6 feet under. Your money, your accomplishments, none of that are gonna even really matter at the end of the day. You understand me? I say, so treat people with respect and then you will get the same energy. So just be respectful, everything go on. Alright? Alright. And just cut the fuckery. But and money might look out for me. Listen to me. Me's a trying man. Me not have no money. Forget Uncle Derek. Alright. So we can done now. I'm done with the addressing now. No. You know me have to hold my little drink. Cause that's what this show is all about. It's about me talking shit and drinking. So, yeah. And this is a rosé. Rosé. Me did drink it before me start film. Cause it kinda tastes good. Hey, me drink them something like juice, you know. Cheers. Ding, 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 ding. Hey, this bad. Alright, so I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna talk about today. So today, I'm gonna talk about my gym journey. I'm sure enough of you probably familiar with me through Real Jamaican Girls, a series that I produced. And if you don't know me from way back when, you know say, me never always stay so. You know what I mean? Me used to mag, I'm used to stick thin. Right? Like, you probably think say my mother never did a feed me, which is not true. Alright? My mother always feed me, my father always feed me, big up my parents them. As a matter of fact, me did I eat more then than what me I eat now. Alright? But I was very thin. Very, very thin, guys. I could probably have been a poster child for starvation. Alright? Being thin, always on the thin side, you know, obviously. And I'm sure a lot of people who are thin, naturally thin, they get a lot of comments on their weight. Alright? Oh, langilala. Oh, your maga. Warm tail, you not eat. You need to eat, man. Oh, your parents them not feed you. All them bag of comments there. Literally, a day would not go by and somebody would not comment on your weight. Right? It's always, oh, you're so maga. Oh, you're so maga. You know, damn. And then, you see, because me tall now, I'm like 6'5". So, I think that they kind of really, really make it worse. You know what I mean? Like, say, my anorexic or something like that. And that's not to make fun of people who have an eating disorder. I've never had an eating disorder. I've always eaten. It's just that it never did used to show back then. Definitely took a shot on my self-esteem, you know, in high school. You know, constantly having people comment on your body and like, oh, you look malnourished, you're this, you're that, bam, 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 you know. I never really look at myself as somebody who, you know, is attractive. Never thought of that. I didn't want to be skinny anymore, you know. I tried everything, guys. Like, when I tell me, say, nyam down the place. Oh, God. Bless my mother and her pockets. And my father, too. Me used to nyam, me used to eat whole heap of food, right? I used to eat myself sick. Because me I say, alright, if me eat this amount of food, done. And you know, looking back at it, I think that in itself was an eating disorder. Because I was overeating. I was eating myself sick because I really wanted to put on weight so badly. Right? And then me literally eat. And then me still like, oh, I'm gonna get all 3 pounds. Like, I would be weighing myself constantly, like after every meal. And then when I say I'm put on a 2-3 pounds, I say I'm happy, I'm glad. I say, yeah, you know. And then I wake up, the weight gone. Alright? I remember going to the gym one time. And I'm not gonna lie, I was so intimidated. Just seeing all of these, you know, the man, them well muscular. And them just big, yo, like them biceps bigger than your head. And then them a lift some big heavy thing, and me with myself could have barely even lift up like the bar. I remember when I was doing some bench press, and then I think the person must have 10 pounds because I went with a friend. They put like 10 pounds on each of the bar, on each side of the bar. And then me there struggle. When me say me there struggle, I feel like me there got dead. And then I remember them take it off. I was gonna do the bar. And me there manage the bar. And then, the guy them kinda said, no dog, don't make it look so bad. Da, da, da. But them that experience they kinda tell me say, alright, so me don't want go back at the gym. Like me done with the gym. Anyways. So I tell myself, so you know what? After I graduate college, I definitely I go try this gym thing. No, sorry, not the gym thing. I definitely I go start exercise. Right? Definitely I go start exercise. So I do some massive research. I go up on YouTube, I do my Google search, all of that stuff. And then I was able to kinda like, create like a little plan. Like I watch videos and I just worked out from my yard. My neighbor they give me 2 15-pound dumbbells. And then I say to myself, Jano, like, what I could have barely manage. As a matter of fact, I could have barely even do push-up good. You understand me I say? But me just did dedicated. Like me really, really did dedicated to this thing. Like every single day I worked out at home. But watch a little video of them on YouTube and me just move with them, Like me just did that, And I was very consistent, I will say. But they used to work out like twice a day at home. And then eventually, like I could have did the push-up them and I could have did, Yeah. And then after I think maybe 2-3 months, but it starts with some results. I'm kind of the glad, you see me? I really did want to try to grow more, right? Me you say like, you have to eat like a lot of protein, consume a lot of protein in order for like build muscle. So I get my protein powder. I used to blend up the shakes, them and thing. I used to drink, I tell you. I used to drink. Cause I really did want, get muscular and just look like a man, you know what I mean? I could just be real, alright? Most people, when them say them go to the gym or them start exercise, nobody gives a fuck about being healthy or staying active. Nobody gives a fuck. Everybody want to look good. Everybody want to look sexy. You understand me I say? The man them want whole heap of girl for fuck. And, everybody just want to look good. You see me I say? And that was just my mindset at the time when I decided for workout. And then when I see like my body start to get little thing, I'm not gonna lie you. The attention, I definitely got more attention. I'm not gonna lie you. Like I really did, impress with myself because coming from where I was, guys, like being stick thin, weighing, I think I weighed like maybe 130 pounds. And if we go from that to like 200 and something, guys, me did proud of myself. Me not give a fuck what nobody wants to say. Call it me being self-indulgent, whatever, but me proud of myself. And I also look on it as, like if me can do this, anybody can do it. Literally, right? Anybody. Once you have that mindset that you can, you will. And just be consistent with it and you just govern, right? But then I also want to go like a bit deeper into that. Why did I feel like I had to even do that? Right? And I think it's just the pressure, the societal pressure of how a man should look, right? Like a real man. I can tell you, when I was stick thin, people never really give me the time of day. People kind of take me for idiot when I stick thin, you know what I mean? They never really take me seriously like that. But once I start getting muscles, I start getting bulky now. Like, I feel like people, the respect factor changed drastically. And I tell you, like, people no try certain things with me. And I tell you. And also to people kind of was more, friendly, nicer to me, even. I tell you, man, people wouldn't even give me the time of day, wouldn't even look my way, I tell you. Them all up in on me. I tell you. Straight up. I think a lot of us were kind of like, because in Jamaica, I'm not going to really comment on any other culture, but I feel like in Jamaica, we're quick for comment on each other's bodies. You know what I mean? Like the first thing you see somebody, Bombidos! I saw you get big! Lord, where your maga saw you sick? Literally. That's the first thing a lot of times Jamaicans just say. Jamaicans don't really think before them speak. Them just say it. But them not really understand how they contribute to a person's self-esteem. Because that shit hurts, Like, You can imagine, you're dead. You go through a lot, you're probably depressed, you probably just like overeat, and you put on the weight, and then somebody are gonna come say, boy, you get biggie. That shit will have you spiraling. We just see it as nothing, We just see it as, we just said. We just look at it as like a greeting, like just simple conversation. But we don't understand how that can really contribute to like affecting someone's mental health. Right? Because men, a woman, they probably depressed, depressed as hell. And she go through whole heap. That's why that caused her to overeat. And I gotta come say, why you get big? People, newsflash. We have vision. Most of us have good vision. And we have mirrors. Alright? So if we are put on weight, if we are get slim, we know. Alright? We know. You don't have to comment on it. You don't have to bring it to your attention. We know. You understand what I say? But yeah. Back to what I say now. I just feel like, when it come on to like guys in general, like there's an ideal body type where people tend to gravitate to. And if you don't have that body type, you're not considered a man. You know what I mean? Like if you don't have little muscles, if you don't have a certain form of build, people not really look in a direction. Right? Why treat somebody or look down on somebody because of their body type? Remember, we're all human beings and we're all on a journey. Why is it that we feel like a person is less than because of their body type? When it comes on to valuing ourselves and our self-worth, why is that often linked to our bodies? It's like if your body big and if you're swarty and you're this and you're that, it's almost as if people feel like they should treat you like shit. Right? If you're slim and you're mager down, why is it that we feel like we need to put down that person? Like you're a slim girl when I have a body. Lord girl, you don't have a body, I don't want to deal with you. Why is it that we feel like we need to bring down people? Why we can't just practice this thing where we just don't comment on other people's bodies? Right? I feel like that's the way we need to go now. Because we don't understand how much we contribute to someone feeling very low and, a person's depression. Time hard, Time is so hard. The people them depressed. The people them sad. The people them miserable. And I feel like just by commenting on someone's body, it can really send them over the edge. Now, mind you, me now, I had a different mindset. Right? I kind of used that for kind of motivate myself, for push myself. And then the same people them who had a lot to say about me and my body when I was younger, the whole of them up in my DMs. The whole of them look up to them, respect me certain ways and take. So to me, that was my fuck you to you all. Right? Wanna downgrade me, wanna treat me like shit, undervalue me, demean me, and me step out and look at that. You guys probably are taking this as me bragging and trying to whatever. But listen, this is just me saying, don't you ever allow people to make you feel less than because of your body type. We're not all make for look the same and have the same body. Alright? No. So, if you want big, be big. If you want slim, be slim. Understand me? I said, don't kill out on yourself for try to adhere to, the ideal body type. Don't do that. You have so much woman that go under the knife. All man of the surgery nowadays too. For try to appeal to this beauty standard. Fuck all of that. May I tell you, fuck all of that. Love yourself for who you are as a person. And your body type as well. Nobody kill out on yourself about to not do body. Who not do tummy tuck. Who not do all them shit. All that shit don't really matter at the end of the day. You have to develop that sense of self-love. You have to love yourself. You can do your body. You can do the tummy tuck. And then something else are going to happen. Society are going to shift a certain way and say, boy, we not like that no more. We like something else. You gotta just keep on a go under the knife for appeal to society. Fuck all of that shit, man. Love on yourself for who uno is. You understand? Love on yourself for what you guys have. Don't make the world tell you nothing. You guys may even say that I'm somewhat of a hypocrite for saying this, but listen, the reason why I'm in the gym is not for people. Let me just make that be known. If I did for people, but that's up a long time. You understand me? I say it's for me. You see, when I get a good workout in I feel so good. My body feel good. So when time me miss out on the gym for a whole week, it's like my body just feel away. My body feel away. And it's like my mindset just kind of shift. I just lazy and kind of lanky. You know what I mean? But it's when I hit the gym, I feel so good. I feel like I can accomplish what I need to accomplish and just go and attack everything. So, I would recommend anyone, don't go to the gym because you feel like you need to impress nobody or stunt on anybody or all that shit. Do it for you. Do it for your, do it because it's good exercise. We all need a good exercise. And do it because it really does improve your mental state. All right? And I'm a testament to that for sure. All right? So, yeah. That's all I got to say on that. Confession time. All right, guys. So, you don't know. I realize when I like the look of confession them. I'm not going to go on like me not like them too. Because I like it. Because I like for your own business. I joke on it. But, yeah. If you guys want to, submit your confessions, just follow me on Instagram, all right? I always make a little post to give you guys the opportunity to send in your confessions. That's the Anthony Tracey on Instagram. It's anonymous, guys. It's all anonymous. I just post it on my story, the link, and then you guys can just go on the link. And then you guys can send in your confessions from there. It's all anonymous, guys. I don't know who sends me these things. Me literally just me in the dark. I just read them. Alright? So we're gonna just start him right now. I always play with myself to our sex. Oh, wait. Alright. Alright, hold on there. First of all, what? Sex tape. If anybody see a sex tape with me in it, a AI. Alright? Don't talk. What's your shoe size? Are you buy me shoes? You're not easy a fucking about. I am size 13, guys. I wear size 13. Let me see if I can put it to the camera. Yeah, size 13. That's my shoe size. So, I expect to see some new shoes in the mail. I want to suck you from head to your pretty toes. Alright, who the fuck keeps sending this shit? Like, who really are sending for Korea? No, seriously. Back when I was going to UA, I met this law tutor, and long story short, we started hooking up. Oh. I wonder if me and you did go UA at the same time. I wonder if I know who this person is. But anyways, after a while, I started finding things in his car that made me think he had a woman. And turns out he did. So I ended it. 3 years later, he popped up at the workplace with his wife. Alright, damn. I just came from lunch, but he asked me to assist them. They decided to make a purchase, so he came back to the desk, and she kept looking around. He started telling kinds of things, and as much as I tried to resist, I gave him my business card, and he was back in my DMs. Bumbleclad. All right. That very night, he came back and was there until closing, and even went to wait in the parking lot. Against my better judgment, he asked me to go for a drive. And I did. Okay. Please tell me why we ended up at Mayfair Hotel with a room. That night we fucked for hours and he spent the night. Hate that I fucked a married man, but I've been weak to him ever since. Nothing really got started, but occasionally I'll hit him up if I want that dick. And he comes running. that man is just as obsessed with me as I am him. Okay. Wow, that was a story. I don't really have nothing really to say about this still, but all I can say is, listen, me not gonna judge nobody, but just leave the people them man alone. You understand me? I said to leave the people them man alone. Alright? These type of situations, them almost never end well. Right? And you see, when heartbreak gets involved, people will do all manner of shit. You see me? Suppose the wife find out say are you, and she just, she kill you. But that's happened so many times. You understand me I say? Cause you see when time you love somebody and you find out say the person all a fuck on you, Jesus Christ. I want different type of hurt, Yeah? You have some people will kill for that, So all me I gonna say is leave the people them husband alone. Just low it out. Alright? Unless you can fight. You see, if you can't fight, maybe. If you can't fight, just low it alone. Just low it alone. Well, guys, that was the end of the episode. If you are here now and you're still listening, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you have subscribed and liked and you've left a comment, okay? And if you have not done so as yet, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram and TikTok and Facebook. It's The Anthony Tracey. The Anthony Tracey across all social media platforms, all right? And make sure you guys are following me on Spotify and Apple Podcasts as well, all right? So, yeah, thanks again for tuning in, guys. And big up on yourself, enough love, rating straight, all right?